What is up, traders? I'm going to do something a little new here. Each week I run a scanner on the equities market and look for certain criteria. And this is going to be a list of the stocks that have caught my interest for this week, and I will likely be looking for opportunities to take positions in. The first one here is Alcoa. Uh, I'm likely going to see how it handles the opening on Monday. I'm looking for it to start developing above the key June here around 34.44. We've got this previous high at 34.93, so I'm looking for it to start trading 35, and then I'll likely take a position in it. Alliance Resource Partnership has begun moving already, so I'll see how it opens, and I'll probably buy anything that stays above this swing low here around 1781. So hopefully it opens, drops down some. Ideally, I would catch it around 1840, 1850, but we'll see what the market has in mind. Allogene Therapeutics has begun to move already. Again, if I could catch it down around the 518, 520, that would be beautiful, but we'll see how the market opens. Baytex Energy has also started moving. We'll see how it opens, but we've got a green and squat combo here, which is pretty powerful, and it broke this swing high. So looks like she's ready to run. Bragg Gaming has definitely begun moving over the past few days. On this one, if the gods bless me, I'll catch a pullback to 330, but we'll see how she opens. Clearwater Paper. If I'm being blessed, I'll catch a $32, $31.90 entry maybe, but we'll see how she opens. Dolphin Entertainment popped up, came back down. I would honestly love to catch this thing in the 180s, but I doubt the market's going to grant me with such a blessing. ESA Pharma has not popped yet. It has made a move over the past few days. It's consolidating with two inside bars after this giant squat bar. Would not be surprised to see us open above the key June here at 306, but I'll be looking to buy the pullbacks. Would love to catch it at 280. ICL Group. It's still kind of sideways here, but I'm expecting that it's going to gain some momentum here shortly. If I see it start trading down below 540, I may lose interest in it, but we'll see how she opens. Kubient has yet to pop. We did put a really nice doji, hanging man, I don't know, hammer, whatever you want to call it, a squat bar. Some fighting going on here right at the key June. Unless this thing starts losing the 40s, I'm looking to grab a little bag of this. Genesis Inc. has already begun moving, broke through the cloud. If I could catch a pullback to the 270s, that'd be wonderful, but it's not required. I'd honestly just buy any strength on this thing, probably move down into a 4-hour or something and look for a good setup on some price action, candles, etc. Materialize NV has not popped yet. as long as we don't see it start trading below 820s, I'm interested. I will be looking for it to start trading 890s or so, get above this Kijun. That'll really pique my interest. Mercer International has broken the Kijun, has shown strength. We are still in this downward price leg here, but again, my scanner filters for specific things, so I'm confident that we're going to see some upside on this. I'd, I'd get a little worried if we lose $8, but we'll see how the week opens. Mirati Therapeutics got a little pop above the Kijun here and has now come back on an inside bar. 38.27 is the high of this pivot here. Pulling back into that would be a nice buy. It'd have to lose like 35.50 for me to lose interest in it. Radcom Limited. It's been a little wild here over the past week. Yeah, outside bar, consolidation, outside bar. So this thing's really whipping around. I'd like to see it break above the cloud, so, or even this high set at 979 before taking an entry, just because of this additional whipsawing back and forth. But again, I filtered on higher time frames to find these stocks, so while they may have a little bit of movement in them, I think the lows are in on everything I've mentioned, and I'll be looking for strength, like I said, on probably a 4-hour chart to take entries. Safehold Inc. above the Kijun. Consolidation. Bit of a indecision bar here. It is a Wiseman div, so I would not be surprised to see us come back to the 2360s, at which point I would definitely look for an entry, but any sign of strength for buying. Tilly's Inc. Some good strength. It's already put in a few broken swings here. It would really have to start trading below the 690s for me to lose interest at this point. I anticipate some upside for this one. And Electrocore, another one that has shown some good strength over the past week and a half, 2 weeks. Pull back into $5 is definitely a buy, and we would have to lose the 440s for me to quit looking for strength in this one. Again, these are all stocks that I've scanned for and found strength in, buys only. I will be dropping down into the 4-hour when the market opens and looking for opportunities to take longs. As always, good luck, have fun, practice solid risk management, and thank you for your almost 9 minutes.